Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. So I got my design team package from Lisa of Crafty Lisa's Vintage. I'll link all her information below in the description box. This is probably the most organized package that I'll ever receive. Just knowing Lisa, like, I have not opened it yet, but she is very meticulous in how she packages things. So she sends her design team packs in quarters. So this is the next 3 months worth of her sales. So February, March, and April. And so yeah, I am obviously not going to chat through this whole thing, and I will be speeding it up quite a bit. Because this is actually double-sided. Each one of these is double-sided. So lots and lots and lots of goodies to look at, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you will take a peek at her next sale, which is February 26th through the 28th. It's going to be the Pastel Victorian Easter Ephemera sale. What a name. But yeah, there are going to be tons of goodies, and the cool thing about her design team packs is that she'll include some of everything that she is going to list during that sale. So keep an eye out in this video for something that you like. Go and ask to be on her tag list, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So for organization purposes, I'm actually going to wait until I have completed my design team projects for the upcoming sale to unbox the next one, and then I'll wait again until I do the next one. If you want to see the next one, definitely subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll be unboxing this one in the next couple of weeks, and then after that, the next one. So I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing all of these gorgeous things. My favorite thing was this postcard because it says Aunt Cassie on it, like that's my name. So yeah, that's like so cool and so thoughtful of her to like especially pick out this postcard just for me. So yeah, stay tuned. I am going to be doing some projects here on my YouTube channel using these goodies. On Saturdays, I'm going to start posting a once a week kind of craft with me video, something to show you guys what's coming up in my Etsy shop, digital wise, or you know, a design team project. So stay tuned. Definitely hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.